Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor. Today we will talk about PKX. It's POSCO Holdings Incorporated, and the reason we talk about it because it was one of the positions picked up by our model. As you know, at our channel we now use our trading model developed by our programmers based on a couple of years work. So let's have a look how can we trade here with PKX. Today we finished at 65.31 with a slight doji. Let's magnify it a little bit for better view. And the question is, of course, where it's going to go. Well, overall, you can see here that it's momentarily in a very sold condition. As always, we have three lines here, moving average 200, 50, and 20 being red, blue, and green lines. And we have stochastic RSI here. So overall, it's a very interesting situation because we have so-called a knee formation here. What is a knee formation? It's a case when you have something like this, when you have a decline, and actually it's kind of a false rebound, and then you go further. This one you can call kind of a knee formation. It's an indication of the market first time trying to push back and push the price upwards, but usually it fails and then it goes declining further until the market again decides to push it finally back. That's exactly the situation here looks like. So we have this test of the channel that we had, and then we're declining with a small volatility starting here. You see green and red combination. So what might be happening here, less likely it will immediately jump upwards, and more likely it will first go down and then jump upwards. And I would still buy with a small portion here, but the major portion to buy I would keep for later. And if you would like to know where it would be most interesting to consider next buying, it's exactly at this line. Let's make it green, because it's a very nice support line that was confirmed already twice. And if price declines here or anywhere in the vicinity of this level, this would be a very strong position to buy. Also, it will be supported by our stochastic RSI that is now the very low area, so also should be bouncing with few levelings, and then probably we will have real formation of the block. Block is a situation like here when you have a strong growth during that. You can see it here. And then after the block you have usually areas of volatility. This is a big one, and then you have some small volatilities, and then another final block should be forming. So another very strong indicator here that the price indeed is going to jump upwards is the change of the direction of moving average 50. The blue line here, you can see it's trying to turn upwards, so it's trying to change its first derivative, and second derivative is already positive, so it's a nice one. So it's a very strong deceleration now taking place, and then acceleration upwards. This would cause also very huge movement if this would be really confirmed. So after the bounce back, we might pierce above the moving average 20, and then with some volatility we might go even higher, but this situation we will discuss later. For now, these are two levels. So the current one, a small entry, and then for major entry it's around here, so should be something about 62.87. Again, all discussions here just for entertainment purposes. Make your own decisions. It's in no way a call for action. With this being said, if you like our model and this way of analysis, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.